A pre-owned 2021 Mazda CX-9 Touring. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Mazda has less than 156,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.